Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to do a quick overview on these solar step lights that we did receive as a gift. Really excited for these because we have a open deck all except for that part. So we have steps all the way around, and the lights that I've had in the past have not held up. Really excited for these. I like the length of these, and so we have one longer part that I'm going to set two on, and then a shorter part with one on each step. But I love these. I'm just I I feel like the quality is really good. I like how many lights are on there. I feel like it is going to light up the steps, so that risk of falling or anything like that, because you can see where you're going. Right now it gets pretty dark in our backyard, so these are going to work great. Um, Comes with everything that you need. Just going to be some little stickies there. You remove magnetic sheet before use, so you're going to use or remove this part. It comes with some silicone, 3 tubes of that, and it does state that you are going to put this here. You're going to remove this. So this is a double-sided tape, and then it does what ends up the fixture. You're going to put the silicone here. So you are going to take you're first going to remove this part. This is where this is going to help the solar light work, get that power from the sun. So you're going to take this off. You're going to remove this from this double-sided tape, and you're going to put some silicone on both sides of this tape. And then you are going to set it on your steps. And it does show on here anyways that you're going to have the lights up. So when you put it on your step, it's going to be on there like this. I am going to put it personally underneath the lip of our steps. So then it's going to kind of be recessed right flush with that, hopefully. And this does come with 6, so that is going to work perfectly for where we are going to use it. And now I'm going to put them on and kind of show you then what they are like in the dark. So here's this up close. You can see this is what you're going to remove. It's just a tiny little magnet piece right there. And it says that isolates, the magnet part isolates the solar from coming in. So that's why you want to remove it. And then this is this up close and the silicone glue. All right, so now we're going to put this on. Here's the silicone glue. Just going to dab it on both sides of this double-sided tape. And then we're just going to end up putting this, like I said, right underneath the lip of our step. Now we have 4 of these up along the longer part of our deck. We're going to go put some on the other side. So now we do have these on the other side now, and you can see I just have 1 per step. These ones are a little bit shorter. So now that we have all 6 up, I am super excited for it to get dark. All right, now you can see these here at night. They are super bright, and they are big enough that it looks great along our long steps here. And then the other side, we'll walk around to the other side, where we have just the one. You can even see some in the backyard where it's already lit up. Yeah, these look great. I'm not sure how good of justice this does in the dark, but you can see just how bright they are. They light up each step just as they should. Really like these. I also want to show you this from on our deck. This is where we have the single lights, and then over here you can see just how much light this gives off. My flasher, nothing is on, and you can see how much light this gives off. These are pretty awesome lights.